welcome back. It's part 3. Here we go.
All right, I am going to be finishing mounting the forks to the top of this. So I've welded this in all the way around here. So now I can put the tube on top of it like this, flush, and yeah. So I've got that tacked on. It's straight enough. I'll bend it back. For what I've got, that's pretty good. How to get a sunburn.
That's what we've got for you as far as the weekend forecast. Saturday, a warm day at 81, sunny cloud mix. Sunday, a hot day.
So I'm back. So we've got a roller. There we go. We have 3 of my fingers of ground clearance. How about that? So as you can see, it's a little bit raked. Yeah, raked is the right word. The back end is like about an inch higher than the front end, and I knew this would happen just due to the design of these pillow block bearings. So I'm going to take some square tubing and put it in between the pipe and the bearing here and just have it about an inch so it'll drop that frame so that it'll actually be level. I welded this in as well. I got some super nice beads, well, for me at least. And yeah, so I got a lot done yesterday, just didn't have as much time to film it. I was a bit of a time crunch, but yeah, here we go. There we go, built the spacers. Turned out pretty good. Took a little longer than I expected, but as you can see, now it is currently level, or at least close enough in my books. It's still slightly raked. So I'm gonna put the engine on, and I'm gonna start building this tube here. Funnily enough, the practice piece that I made, which is right here, to bend, like to test the tubing bender, which is over there, it was actually the perfect length, so I just cut the excess off, just put that in the hole saw machine, and it's literally the exact length and everything I need. So I'm gonna go tack this on and then take the engine off and see what it looks like, and then go from there. Epic seat from Go Power Sports. I'm gonna, as I said before, just build that tube there and then build the little round piece the seat will sit on. So I've just cut these out to 2 feet and I've marked them with the thing that I said in the first video, just 1-inch increment. I'm gonna use the pipe bender, and here we go. Got that done. I have the 2 pieces that I cut, cut and bent in the tubing bender that I showed you, and I put a little piece in the middle. Ignore the crap welds; they're gonna disappear soon. And then I got this little piece to go at the end, which fits nicely in there, just like that. I'm gonna weld that in.
Today we got done most of the frame except for the seat. I didn't get that welded in because I ran out of time again, but next week I'll have even more time. So we've got a rolling frame. Next week I'm gonna try to get the brakes done and the rest of the frame done so I can actually like sit on it, and then maybe even next video, but probably after next video it'll be the first test drive. So that's gonna be my goal at least. But anyway, that's all I have for you today. If you want to check out my Instagram, it's linked in the description. Sneak peeks, updates on the build, that kind of stuff, extra photos. But yeah, that's all I got time for. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.